What's up, you guys? So I got a FedEx package. So this is my first time ever working with them, and I'm really interested in seeing what this is all about. First off, I can say that the packaging is so good. Like, this is like really like decent quality. I also like the fact that they had the package inside of this really thick like bubble wrap, so this is going to make sure that your box doesn't get smashed. And I'm really glad that they put this extra precaution in there for something as simple as your packaging. Oh. Here is a pamphlet, I think. Yeah, it opens up like this. Okay, so it's just like some hair care instructions, ways for you to get discounts. So definitely take advantage of stuff like this. People always ignore this, but every dollar like really counts. Like, if you can get $10 off your order, $20 off your order, like that's awesome. You can even make a YouTube video and get some money off of your next order, so that's awesome. They also give you some free lashes. Like, okay, so here is the wig unit that I will be reviewing. It is a curly unit. It says it's kinky curly and it's 18 inches. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. So, oh, that's some, I don't know. These little things you gotta be careful with. This is stuff that be in your shoes. If you have pets or children, be careful with this stuff. Here is the unit straight out the box. I'm just gonna shake it out. I'm gonna shake it out. Oh, you gotta shake it out. I'm stupid. Ooh, this hairline though. Ooh, this hairline though. Okay, so the hairline is bomb. Y'all probably can't even tell. Hold on. I'm so excited about this wig. Like, even from this way, you guys can definitely see what I mean and why I'm so excited about this hairline, because it's so freaking good, you guys. Like, maybe I can turn it this way. Okay. So now you guys can get a really good look at this hairline. Like, this is why I said I don't even too much need to pluck it. Like, I will pluck it, but just like literally a little bit. And then I'm gonna bleach this. But oh my gosh, you guys, like, this wig is so freaking natural. What's up, you guys? So let's go ahead and get started on our wig. You know, we got to do the wig first and then everything else comes after. Duh. So here is our unit. I did bleach this unit. I have plucked the unit. I didn't do my lazy plucking today. This wig didn't really need a lot of plucking, but I did low-key like over bleaching on this side. It's just a little bit more brown. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to make it work because that's what we do here. So here's the inside construction of this wig. It actually looks very similar to the wig review that I just did. So I thought that was very interesting. Like the same amount of like parting space, the same like combs and everything like that. So I was like, oh, that's interesting. The only thing that's different, I would say, is just like the length and then the curl pattern. So there's combs here all the way around, and then of course one here at the back. It also has adjustable straps for your girl, because you already know I need them straps, boo. Adjustable straps are a little bit weird. Like, this material is like a different material from what I'm used to seeing, so that's new. So I just went ahead and I adjusted the straps. So now I'm just gonna put some foundation on the lace, and you guys already know what the rest is about to do.
Get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fight when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had that Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. See this nigga rush me, so I took a private plane.
Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I just let the hair air dry just so you guys can see, you know, what this hair looks like in its natural dry state. I didn't put any products on this hair, as you guys saw. The only thing that I did was I put mousse on my baby hairs right here, and then a little bit like on the edges right near. But other than that, this is the natural hair texture. I really love like the length of this wig. I believe that this was an 18-inch deep curly unit. I will leave all these specs and all the origin and all that listed down below. So if you guys want to know what that's all about, check the description box. So once again, I just wanted to reiterate that this hair is from ISEE Hair. I really like their packaging. So one thing that I noticed right off the bat was the quality of their packaging. Like, look at this, it's like holographic. The box is really nice, and they went through the extra measure of protecting their box by putting this inside of like this little bubble package inside of a FedEx package. So they do ship via FedEx if that was a concern of yours. So not only that, but they're spending like a little extra money when it comes to their shipping, and it shows because this hair, honey, is A1. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video and sending over this unit, because I really do like this curl pattern. I like how full it is. It's not too thick, not too thin, and it's like the perfect amount of poofiness and curly, because it still has its texture. You know, you see some curls, you see some poofy, and I feel like when your hair looks like this, it makes it look more so on the natural side. So I think this is the perfect hair, honestly, for any type of pool party, beach party, if you're going to a bonfire at the beach, or any type of like summer activities that has to do with water. I think this is like the perfect wig for you. And the other thing too, it's not that long, and it's also very lightweight, even though it's pretty full, so that's great as well. But yeah, I really do like the curl pattern in here, you guys. Like, look how natural it looks. And you see what I mean? Like, when you can see like a little bit of scalp like through your hair, like it makes it look more natural, especially when you don't see that line. So now that we have our hair out of the way, you guys pretty much know my thoughts on ISEE Hair. You guys see how it looks. Whatever it is you have planned for this summer, if you guys are interested in this wig, it will be listed down below for you, along with any coupon codes that I have available. Alright, y'all, so now it's finna get real spicy, like really spicy, because I'm about to try on some swimsuits. I don't even swim. I don't know how to swim. Fun fact about me. Yes, I've tried so many times. So many people have tried to teach me, but since I don't know how to swim, so when I put on a bathing suit, I just wear it just to look cute in, take a couple pictures maybe, sit on the sideline with a nice little drink, maybe tap my foot inside some water, but I'm not getting in nobody's pool, because since I can't swim, I ain't got no time. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into the try on haul portion of this video. All of these swimsuits were given to me from CupShe, so thank you so much to CupShe for also sponsoring this video and sending over some amazing swimsuits. So this is a top to our first bathing suit. It is a very 1950s kind of vibes. Like, I got such a vintage vibe with this bathing suit. So as you guys can see, it does have some rib detail to it. Here are the bottoms for this swimsuit, and I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, that is so old lady-ish, it looks like a granny, but I promise you guys, this swimsuit is so freaking cute on, and I really like how thick it is as well. I really like the details here on the side that have like the little piping, because it really makes it look more so vintage, but I definitely see myself doing like a whole little look with this. One of my favorite things about this bathing suit was obviously the bow tie detail, because it has one in the front, and they also put one in the back for you. And look at these sleeves, you guys. Like, this is so unique. I've never seen a bathing suit with sleeves. Like, I don't know, maybe I've just been asleep somewhere, but I've never seen a bathing suit with sleeves like this, and I absolutely love this bathing suit. This next bathing suit that I try on, oh my gosh, you guys, definitely one of my favorites out of everything, because all of the bathing suits that I purchased, I made sure that they were going to fit my body type, because like I have a nice shape, but I've always had that extra weight in like my belly area, like in my, I don't know why, but I just always hold weight there. I always look super bloated right there, and it's really like one of my biggest insecurities is my stomach. I am working on it though, I'm working on it, but this swimsuit pretty much just hides all of your flaws. It sucks you in where you want to be sucked in. It makes your boobs sit up so bomb in this bathing suit, you guys. It's so freaking cute. One of my favorite details about this particular bathing suit is the fact that it comes with a belt. So there's literally like a little loop here on the side, and it has this belt that like wraps around your body, and it goes right in by your waist, and it just sucks you in right there. And then because it's black, it's also gonna make you look a little bit more slim. Like, this is that bathing suit that's just gonna cover up all your flaws and have you looking flawless, boo. You're gonna be looking bomb. This bathing suit right here, you guys, instantly reminded me of like Yeezy season. Like, I instantly thought of like Kanye because of the color. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love this color. This is probably like one of my favorite like muted colors, like when you just want to like tone it down. So it's like this ice gray type of vibe. I really love these side details here that are, you know, stretchy. The other thing that I liked was everything was like so perfectly high-waisted and just really comfortable on. Like, I felt so comfortable in this, but it wasn't like, you know how sometimes things fit snug on you, but it'll kind of like make your rolls stand out more. Like, this did not do that. Another thing that I liked about this bathing suit was the top. Now, the top of this bathing suit, it adjusts at the top and at the bottom. So if you wanted to, you can have like this line at the top and the bottom, or you can like make it come all the way in, and then you can have like a little peekaboo type of moment and not show as much skin. So you can adjust this and show as much boob or as little boob as you want. And also it has really great support, and I like the fact that it's wide enough so that it covers up enough boobs, so you don't have to worry about like your areola slipping out, you know, or anything like that while you're swimming. And it also gives you really great side boob. This bathing suit, I'm not gonna lie, when I seen it online, I thought that it was gonna be made out of like a cheap cotton material. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be the quality that it is. And that's what surprised me about all of these bathing suits, because when you look online, you're just like, oh, okay, this is just some little cheap little bathing suits. But no, the quality of these bathing suits are so amazing, and they all come lined with the little hygiene liner. It has like the little peekaboo stomach, which I really like. So if you're somebody who has like that under boob tattoo right there, it's gonna come out and it's gonna look so freaking cute in this bathing suit. I really like this bathing suit because of the print on it. It was definitely giving me like island girl vibes, so I really like that. And then it also had like the little strings in the middle. But I would say if you have something like this, don't wear a necklace like how I have on. Like, don't wear a chain with it, just wear it by itself. The only thing that was like confusing me was this back part where you put the clasp. So you have to like do it a certain kind of way so that they like hook together, and then I don't know, but the clasp part was like hard for me. Like, it was hard for me to figure out, but I did end up figuring out when it came time to like putting my bathing suit on. Now, out of all of the bathing suits that I tried on, this one was a little bit more snug. So I would say if you are going to order this bathing suit, to maybe go up a size, because it was like really tight, like really tight. I don't know why, and it was mostly like the bottom portion that was like a little bit too tight for me. But I did order everything in a size medium. It does fit me really well, don't get me wrong, but I would say that if I was to go back, I would probably order this in a large instead of a medium, just because it is a little bit more snug. I'm not really sure what the difference is between this and the make of the other ones, and while it feels that way, but either way, it's super cute, and I definitely see myself rocking this summer. So this last piece that I'm sharing with you guys, to me, even though it says that it's a bathing suit, it feels more so, it gives me more so of like a loungewear type of piece. It looks more so like bra and underwear, in my opinion. So this is something that I will probably wear in the house, like on a chill day, just because it looks really cute. When I first seen the print, I was like, ooh, this reminds me of like 90s Guess or something like that, because of the colors that they use and just the way that it looks overall. I really like the button details on this bathing suit. It is going to be kind of hard to see because it is white, and white is for some reason very difficult to show on camera. The thing that I really liked about the top for this bathing suit is the straps. So the straps are a lot thicker in the front, and then it's thin in the back, so you don't have like the big chunky strap all the way through, because it makes it look a little bit more flattering on. And this really supports my boobs like so freaking good, so love that. The bottoms, like I said, the bottoms are definitely more so like a low rise underwear. I like the way that they feel on the body. All of the fabrics are just so soft and just like comforting. Like, you almost forget that it is a bathing suit, you know what I mean? Because when I wear bathing suits, like, I don't know, like, they always make me feel very vulnerable. They always make me just feel uncomfortable. But all of these made me feel very sexy, and it made me feel a little bit better about my shape. Really like the bottoms for these. They really hold you in. They are kind of like grandma-y in a sense, just because of the back part, you know, it's just so wide. I would probably have preferred this to be like one of those thongy type of bikinis, and that's just me. Like, I would have liked this a little bit more like that, but all in all, still very comfortable. Definitely gonna wear this as loungewear more so than wearing it out like to the beach or something. The other 4 bathing suits are definitely something that I would wear out to the beach, but this one is definitely one that I'm just gonna wear to kick it around in the house. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It is a 2-in-1 video. I incorporated some hair that you guys can wear this summer with your bathing suits. You guys saw like how my hair looked and how sexy it looked with the bathing suits. I feel like this hair would be perfect for this, and these bathing suits are very affordable, you guys. So if you guys want to purchase any of them, they will also be listed down below, along with links, direct links to the bathing suits and the website. You guys will get a direct link to this hair and discount codes listed down below. Thank you so much to ISEE Hair and CupShe for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!